So I have a wall that I'm gonna fix. Exhibit A. But yeah, we're gonna fix it. Sorry, I know there's crap in the way. I'm gonna use just Spackle and sand it once it's dry and paint it. It's easy. Without further ado, I guess I'll fix my wall now. I should also mention why I'm doing this, for obvious reasons, obviously, but I'm hoping it will be quieter because a lot of sound comes through that wall and I have a hearing sensitivity, so I would love to make it quieter if I can. So I will let you guys know if it actually makes it quieter. I'm sure it'll help at least a little bit, because it has to, because there's like holes I'm filling, so yeah, we'll see. I was trying to use the putty knife and I guess a regular knife, but it just, I couldn't get the angles right. It just seemed easier to just use my hands. I know that's probably not preferred, but I'm pretty unconventional in general, so still chipping away. I just figured I would fill in the deepest spots first, let those dry, and then do another pass. So that's where we're at. So I think I'm gonna call it a day for today. I hope it looks better. Do you think so? I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's getting dark, but oh, what a journey. So I ended up just doing a paint coat over everything to kind of help me with patching some of this. It definitely looks better. It's not finished. I still need to fill in some of these holes, I guess you would say, and then do another layer of paint. Like if you look here, it's, man, I don't think you can see it, but you can kind of tell it kind of needs another round. Let me step back a little bit more so you can see. Yeah, it needs another round of spackle and paint, and I think it's good to go, but it's definitely better, so I'm happy about that.